Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable full screen in split screen on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you enable split screen on your Samsung phone, you will notice that some space is taken at the top and at the bottom of the screen. Now, if you want to hide the navigation bar and the status bar, and if you want to enable full screen in split screen, first of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Advanced Features, then tap on Multi-Window. And from here, you will find the option of full screen in split screen. Now just enable this toggle. And once you enable this toggle, you will hide the navigation bar and the status bar, and you will enable full screen in split screen. Just like that. And this is how you can enable full screen in split screen on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.